Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Donna says, sincere sympathy, Drea. Yeah, Drea, you get more sympathy and more hugs. Denise, yes. Denise already know I'm looking for a 5-star notary. So that's why I want you to offer 5-star service where you can ask and tell your clients, they can read about what you do. Got a little itch going on there. All right, what other questions do you all have for me today? So I'm going to really encourage you to check out the field inspection course, again, individually or part of the mentorship program. And when it comes to the mentorship program, I'm going to talk about that a little bit, what it looks like. So again, when I keep saying no more excuses in 2025, we do have you covered. All the information you need, the secret is out. Okay? $47 per month. You ain't gonna find all 15 trainings nowhere for $47. But I'm doing that because I really do want people to succeed. And it touches my heart when you all do succeed. It really does. So I don't have to work as hard, just like you all have to work as hard in your business. When you start getting your name out there and people start referring you and they start recommending you, Google will work for you. The algorithm will work for you. Your clients will work for you. Hey, you need a notary, call such and such. Field inspection companies will choose you because you do good work, right? I go over that in the course, how to effectively communicate, how to fill out forms, how to make sure you're thorough. So these are all things that you need to know in order to be effective out there. So, you can try to go figure it out. Nothing wrong with that. I'm a figure it out kind of person. I am. But it just depends on what type of method you want. I always say you can go do it the 2-3 year way, or you can do it the express way with me. Totally up to you how you want to do it, okay? Any other questions we have? So that's why I'm wearing high vis today. I just want you to see what I wear. And again, this is reflective. It's all at Amazon. I actually have a supply list. For those of you who may be new also, I have a nice new roadmap that I created for notaries. Completely free under the free resource tab. So check that out. I have a new notary supply list that's under the free resource tab. There's a place for you if you're building your business to check out the EIN number or to get your LLC to read what that's about. So I have all kind of free resources for you, and everything is notaryeducatorsllc.com. Okay, you can find out all information over there. So do we have any more questions today? If not, I'll probably start wrapping up. But again, I just wanted to share my new field inspection course with you. Tell you about the free resources, tell you about mentorship, and that all the courses are on sale, 60% off again. The coupon code is WIN, WIN 2025. Hey, Erlise, 5 stars. I loved it. I love it. So I'm looking for a 5-star notary whenever I go to do anything. And that's who your clients are looking for too. So don't think people don't read reviews. Are you late to appointments? You don't think your customer gonna talk about that? She's always late. Or they told me they would be here at 5 and they got here at 6. Oh yeah, they gonna tell y'all. Or when you call, even when they call you on the phone, from the initial phone call, how do you sound? Hey, hello. Hi. No. Hey, thank you for calling None Better Notary. This is Kimberly. How may I help you? So you understand the difference? So all those little things equal an entrepreneur that is well paid. Okay? I want you to have a thriving business. And these little tips like this on customer service. Sometimes we're missing it, okay? I called somebody's voicemail the other day. Now, fully transparent, they said this isn't their business line. But it was this whole song and all this, and I was like, wait a minute, I know this ain't this person's business number. I was just thinking, if I was the client, I'm like, who did I call? Did I call a notary? Or what number did I just call? Hey, we got a lot of people joining us now. Samaya05, what's up? Hello, how are you? And thank you, or at least I love the 5 stars. So what questions can I help you all with? I see we got a few new people that just joined us. Anybody new to notary? Are you doing field inspections? And you don't have to be a notary to do field inspections. The reason I recommend you being a notary is because nowadays notaries are being asked to do everything. We are being asked to do ink fingerprinting. We are being asked to do apostilles. We are being asked to do translation services, immigration services, wedding officiant. I mean, they're asking us to do all these things, and I do all these things. Only thing I don't do is wedding officiant. However, I wrote a beautiful wedding officiant course. So if you're not interested in the course form and you like to get the ebooks, I even have several ebooks now. Those are only $9.99 for the ebooks. So check those out. How to start your notary business. I have a wedding officiant ebook. I also have the marketing ebook. Okay, so if you're interested in ebooks, check out the ebook list that I have, and those are really nice ebooks. They're very quick, but the gems that's packed in them are amazing. So they're very topic specific. Okay. Samaya says, I'm great, thank you. I'm new and a Vegas local. Oh, I love Vegas. Love me some Vegas. Looking to start a notary part-time business. Yep, we got somebody in the group in Nevada, actually. So to start your business, check out the new roadmap that I have at Notary Educators under free resources. It's a beautiful roadmap. I just had that created. It lists all the training I think you should have. It lists the actual roadmap to getting your commission, getting your insurance. So check out the new roadmap, okay? I think I'll actually record a video about that too, the roadmap to success. Yep. So that's a free resource for you at notaryeducatorsllc.com. So check that out. So I wish you the best in your business. Once you kind of get your commission, know what you're doing, where you're headed just a little bit, check us out. I actually have a book too you can check out for your state, for the state of Nevada, how to start your notary business in Nevada. And I highly recommend you check that out too. Okay. That's under the book selection. And that's going to give you an overview of the business all together. Okay, that way you'll know what you're getting into if you really want to do it. Okay, so I have some free resources for you, and then I have the ebook. So check it out. You are so welcome. Anyone else? Anybody else just starting the business? Starting field inspections? Where are you in your journeys? I see we have quite a few people joining us. I can hang out a few more minutes today. What else do we have going on? Don't be afraid, because I'm here in the flesh. Look. I am here. What other questions do we have? I'm going to show you these, but these are not. This one actually is for sale, this particular journal right now, but the cover is changing. I had went and changed it to this one, but the one that's up there now has to be approved by Amazon. But I wanted to tell you what makes my journal so special, for those of you who may be just joining, is that I have a space in here for everything that you need as a notary. And not even your specialty work. So there's a place for what type of form they have, or better yet, what type of notarial duty did you perform? Did you do an acknowledgement? Did you do a jurat? Did you do an oath? Are you performing a wedding, permit running, field inspection? If you're doing a apostille, a place for you to put the type of document, the country. It's all in one. At the top, I have where you can put the hiring company that hired you, the signing location of the address, because you need that. The signing location can be different than their address location. And on the bottom here, the number of notary stamps, because you need that for tax purposes. And then the state notary fee and your travel fee. All those fees need to be broken down on your receipt. So I actually wrote that in the journal for you, so you know how to break it down here, and you can break it down on the receipt. So we got you covered literally in your notary business, A to Z. Okay. So all things notary, notaryeducatorsllc.com. Few more minutes. We got about 4 more minutes before we'll wrap up. Anything else? Any other questions? And again, for those just joining, I am wearing my high vis because I was talking about field inspections, and this is what I recommend. If high vis comes in pink, you've seen a lot of people with regular high vis with orange or the lime green. It doesn't really matter for what we're doing. If you're working for a construction company, they may require like a specific orange or green. But for what we're doing, you just want to wear something that's reflective so that people know that, hey, you're out there in a special role. They're like, okay, that's why she's taking pictures, because she's out here doing something with construction or something special, you know? So that's why I like to wear high vis. So neighbors, they're not being nosy and want to shoot you or something. You know, neighbors are like, what's going on over there? You know, so I like to wear high vis so everybody know something's going on out here. You know, she's not a crook. She's doing something with work. And again, those no knock ones, no knock inspections, and if you're being to serve a document, or if it's someplace that you don't feel safe, can you take somebody with you? You know, again, and you got to do it creatively too. It could be that you have to go and take a picture of a car that's getting ready to be repossessed or something, and they want to make sure the car is at that location. Again, I'm not going up there all loud, hey, I'm coming to repossess your car. You know, you go incognito, kind of look and see if that's the car. If it is, you just stick the little thing on there if they want you to stick something on the window, or just take a picture of it. They might just sometimes want a picture to make sure, okay, this is where the car is located, and they're going to send back the actual tow truck later. You know, and that's not laughing at the person getting their car towed. What I'm laughing at or kind of smirking at is that that's the process. You know, you're not going to go up there blowing a horn talking about, hey, I'm out here to help them steal your car or repossess it or whatever. So, you know, do it safely. Do it safely. That's my point. All right. Anything else? Anything else? That's it. All righty. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to stop. Again, on behalf of Notary Educators, I'm wishing each and every one of you the best in your business. Check out the inspection course, All Things Notary, notarization.llc.com. Okay? Until next time, it's your girl Kimmi on behalf of Notary Educators. Bye. Bye, Drea, baby. You in my prayers, okay? All right. Y'all say an extra prayer for me today, too. All right. Y'all so welcome. Bye. Bye, Denise. Take care, everybody.